Ever wonder where grocery store meat comes from? That can be a mystery. Conventional factory farms tend to focus on quantity, not quality. Animals are raised in cramped confines and fed grains and feeds their bodies aren't equipped to properly digest. It fattens them up quickly, but it's not healthy for the animal, or you. U.S. Wellness is different. Our farms raise 100% grass-fed and pasture-raised animals. We produce real food that's nutrient-dense and 100% all-natural. And we ship directly to all 50 states. No labs, factories, chemical additives, stabilizers, colorings, antibiotics, growth hormones, GMOs, herbicides or pesticides. Just true family farmers using holistic methods that work with nature, not against it. Know and trust the source of your food. Visit and order online at uswellnessmeats.com or grasslandbeef.com today.